Hi guys, welcome to day 250 of our Philippine house build. I'm beat. Just every day is go from getting out of bed till I go to bed. So lots going on. Let's see. The main or master bathroom is pretty much finished. We got one more cabinet to go in. Been working on the fence at the back. The hole's been cut in the quartz for the main bath. I think I said master bath before. That's complete almost. And what else? Just some little things here and there. So anyway, let's get a weather check and okay, over by the mountains, a little bit of haze, but you can see them. So pretty good. You can see there's the house. We do have the column holes dug. That's what the caution tape's about. But anyway, so there's the front of the house. There. And transformer pole, which is our corner pole for our fence also. Let's go to the front porch first. So the front porch has been tiled. There'll be a 4-inch drop down onto this sidewalk, 42-inch wide sidewalk coming out towards the street, and then it will make a turn. Get on the other side there. So comes off the porch, and then it'll take off towards the driveway over there. So there'll be a L-shaped here. Over there, all the stack stone's done. Tile all looks good. Pretty happy with this. Turned out pretty well. Tile is a little dirty. Anyway, that's that. There's Sella. Dirty kitchen. We still don't have a kitchen, so we're still using a dirty kitchen. I just ate. It's currently Saturday. Around 6 o'clock. The crew just left. Around 4:30, so they've been gone a little bit. They got paid. So day off tomorrow. Hello. Say hi to YouTube. There you go, Pogie. Oh, thank you. So anyway, must be neighbors, nice people. The soil level will be brought up to the paint there. So we got quite a bit of fill to bring in. Cooking area for the crew is over there, and the mini excavator is over there. They did fix the leaks in the hydraulics, so it looks like they got the bucket off of it. I think they're welding up the bucket because it had some pretty decent sized holes in it. So I think Monday or Tuesday of next week, we're going to start bringing in soil. And we are going to start in the backyard and then work our way up this side towards the front. And then the front will all get fill and topsoil. So that's that. This is what's left of the quartz. We took 2 pieces out, so both bathrooms have been worked on. The wide one right there, that's for the kitchen island. More narrow one is for the laundry room, and then these 2 pieces sticking out over here are for the kitchen, so L-shaped kitchen, and then there's a short one sticking out right there. That's for the lavatory, so that's a real short one there. So that's that. We do have, and Stella talked to him. When did the water treatment guy, when was he coming? Sunday. So he'll be here Sunday. Fix that. We tried to fire it up, or he tried to fire it up, and it had leaks. So let me get the light on. Okay. Yeah. So he said he needs to bring the crew to fix the leaks. So that's that. I did turn, the water pressure was pretty high. I had it at 70 on the high and 50 on the low, and I turned it down to 60. And so the low right now is right around 48, and the high is like 62. So there's like a 14 psi difference from low to high. The cycle time is still over, it's just over 1 minute now, which is the minimum you want to get the well pump to cool down. So everything's good there. So glad I got the 2 tanks. It definitely allowed the more cycle time on the well pump. Otherwise, I'd have a bigger range of maybe 20, 25, maybe even 30 to get the cycle time up. So on the well pump, or sacrifice the life of the pump. So. Anyway, that's that. All set there. Generator room. I'm thinking end of next week or beginning of the following week. We should have a generator, and that'll go in that corner right there. We do have, this is my generator that we had. It's an inverter generator, 4,000 watts. This is what we had at the rental. And we are totally out of the rental now, in case I didn't mention that before. But I had the electrician hook up this plug-in wire temporarily till we have our big standby generator. And that's going to be 35 kVA, which will run our whole house. So anyway, if we do have any brownouts, which are really blackouts, this will at least keep the refrigerator and our deep freeze and TV, internet, and just basics going. So, and it should run at least 2 aircon units also. So it had no problem with at the rental running all that. So that's that. Dirty kitchen's nice, except for this faucet here. There was an issue, a defect. This is from China, but there was a defect on the faucet. The head itself just wouldn't flow any water, but the piping. So we disconnected the actual head of it, and so we're just using just the tube there only. So that's our temporary fix till we can get a new faucet ordered for it. So that's. Unfortunately, it's low on the priority. So, dirty kitchen turned out nice. Pretty happy with that. Although right now, that orange pipe right there that's dribbling water. That is the drain for the kitchen sink. So, dirty kitchen sink. So none of that's been that hasn't been hooked up to any of the water main for the sewage yet. So that's about it. In the garage area, no real updates. We are going to order some more cement. I'll take a walk back to the back fence and show you what we've got accomplished so far. Okay. That pipe there, that's the floor drain for the water room. These pipes are that's a water main after it's been cleaned, the water's been cleaned. So that's the water in there. Hits the tanks. Then it hits the bladder tank, sorry, and then it hits the water softener, cleans the water. and then comes out there. These two white pipes here are for backwash. The system will backwash every now and then to clean itself. So those will dump into the catch basin there. That'll drain to the back of the property. That's about it there. That's our electrical main right there. Going into the house. This is our internet. Right now it's above ground. That's going to end up underground, but we didn't want it, we're not going to bury it too deep, and we didn't want any of the equipment that's going to be running through here to damage the wire. So right now we got it above ground. That's it there. That's our grounding rod right there with the hat on it. Here's our two aircon units. These service, one service the kitchen, one services the living room. What? I can't hear you. Chasing the dogs away. So there's the back of the house. It's pretty much complete back here. Got a lot of soil to bring in to raise this up. But it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy. All right, let's make our way back. All right, so our fence at the back consists of a cement wall that is about a foot under the level of the stream in back. Let me walk on this scaffold. Yeah, it seems pretty good. So there's that stream running through the backyard over there, and it runs that whole way. Anyway, this cement wall, the bottom of it is about a foot under this stream, and it's about a foot above the stream is the top of that cement wall. So the cement wall is around 2 feet tall. It is a metal reinforced, so it's got 16 millimeter re-rod running through it. So it's not really going to go anywhere. And then we've got these huge 2 meter by 2 meter cement and re-rod footings, a footing pad for each of the columns. So we did start some of the block, the hollow block, in this area and down that way. I'll follow this. And show you what we got. So this is another one of those 2 foot by 2 foot foundations for a column here. There's our stream running through the back. So the stream is gonna be always touching the poured concrete, never the hollow block. And then they did put some tubing here, so any groundwater that does hit this area will drain through. I don't know how to do this. I'm just going to turn you guys upside down. I apologize. So those pipes empty out. So if any water is underground at the bottom of this wall, it drains out. So that's that. Another view of the back of the house. All right. So yeah, this is using up all the 6 and 5 inch, all these hollow block that are back here right now. But here's the top of that wall before the hollow block gets put on. So we got a lot of fill to bring in. Let's see, the top of that cocoa lumber. I don't know if you can see, but there's a string, fishing line basically right there. We took the wall height, fence height on that side wall over there, right at the corner column. And we ran that height all the way across to see the difference between that side wall and that side wall. So the land, as you can kind of see, the land is high there, and as it goes from right to left, it goes down. So obviously the walls heights aren't going to be the same from side to side. So anyway, from that wall there to that wall over there, this wall is 1.7 meters lower. So what we're going to do is each wall section between columns from one side to the other, we're going to drop by one hollow block. Each hollow block is 200 millimeters. So it roughly works out to about right. So you're going to see just like that wall is dropping as it comes towards the rear. This rear wall will also do the same from one side to the other. And then this back wall will have, I think it's 900 millimeters of vertical aluminum fencing on top. So the solid wall will not go to the top. So the view, we should still have a great view of the back. I know a lot of people have commented on what we're going to do for that. So I think we'll still be good. I think we'll still see quite a bit of this. So obviously we won't see the stream, which we never saw anyway, because that dirt there. So you can't really see the stream down here. So, but I think the view will still be good back here. And yeah, it's beautiful here, especially like on a clear day. You can see the mountain there and all the coconut trees, and then the rice field. Ugh. Yeah, it's definitely peaceful. Definitely peaceful. We're going to take all these big boulders, all the decent, even mid-size, and we're going to push them now down into these holes. The footing is protected with soil now. So now we can take all these boulders and larger rocks and just push them down into here, and these all get buried down here. So that's that. That's part of our pad here for the column. Another one right there. So they use, some people have commented, why are you leaving cement out? You know, what happens when it gets rained on? What they do is they take the cement bags after they use them, and they put the gravel in them to carry them back here. So these aren't full of cement. These are actually got gravel in them to make the concrete. All right, and this is our corner post right here. So this wall here will be completed down to here. That'll complete that side wall there, and then make a turn back to the way we just came to complete the rear of the wall. So this is roughly going to be grade right here. The hollow block in this area will roughly be where this string is. I'm going to use my finger. I know I get yelled at all the time, but I'm not sure you guys can see the string, the fishing string, but right there. Okay, that's it. I'm done. That's going to be the top of the hollow block, roughly. And then there'll be a 900 millimeter vertical aluminum fence made. That'll span from column to column on top of that, so you'll be able to see through. So that's that. We are going to render both sides of the fence all around the property. They won't be pretty. I told them just cover it. All I want is just to protect the hollow block, so if it does get wet, I don't want it absorbing any water. So we will be spending some money on rendering the other side, both sides of the property and the back of the property. The front was going to get rendered anyway because it's our frontage of our property. So that's that. This is pretty close to grade right here. Little higher against the house. Little bit of grade going down away from the house towards the fence, and then also as it comes back this way, it's dropping grade also. So shouldn't have any issues with water against the house. So the tile on the patio is complete. We started grouting, and we also got stacked stone to finish on all these columns, that bottom layer. There's our bathroom. Looks like Stella's using the broom in there. And that's our bedroom right there. And that's our closet, our walk-in closet right there. Living room right there. This area right here has been grouted. I did spend probably 2 or 3 hours yesterday showing them my expectations, how I grout, how I wipe, what the final product should actually look like, because I'm not happy with the interior grout, but it's a little late for that. So I kind of wish we would have done the patio first, because I'd rather this look not as good and the whole house look good, but whatever, it's done. I gotta live with it. So that's that. Catch basin right there for that downspout right there. All right, I think that's about it for exterior. I'll take you in through the carport door. Oh, hi guys. Okay, take my shoes off. All right, let's go inside. Threshold, I got that caulked. No problem. Yeah, can you open it for a second for me, please? Thank you. Yeah, so I got this. I got the threshold caulked. So it's all sealed up now. Looks good. I'm happy. Thank you, baby. Oh, okay. Am I on my own still?
Yeah, maybe after this.
Okay. All right. I'm not sure how much longer, but okay. Let's see. This is going to be the pantry. There'll be these shelves right here, black steel wire shelving. There'll be 3 on this wall over here. There's our deep freeze, and there'll be 2 on this wall. So this one here, and then there'll be 1 just on the other side of it. So there's our 2 electric panels, breaker panels. This is our regulator, which takes our 220, 230 down to 120 for some of the fixtures that we have, some of the light fixtures. This will be lavatory. Oh my gosh. Yuck. So they had the mirror mounted too high, so I lowered it. So that'll be that. There'll be a cabinet right there. Cold water only. That'll be a water shut off for this room. And toilet paper / wipe there. Toilet water supply, bum gun, and then Filipino faucet over here. And like they do here in the Philippines, we put a floor drain in a room that doesn't have a shower. But that's that. Added a keychain holder, welcome home. So that's kind of nice. There's someone.
Oh my god.
Okay, so living room. It's starting to feel a little bit like home, so that's good. Yeah, this is the living room. It's all set up now. So this couch will go. We're going to buy black leather recliners. I think 2 recliners and 1 or 2 chairs. It'll be in this room right here, facing the TV. That's that. There's Stella's fridge. She loves this.
Yes.
That's a knock. There it is. There's her Tang. I got a little bit of iced tea that I add to my water just to give it a little bit of taste. I don't drink it real strong. That's it for that. So that'd be our doorbell right there. The actual button for the doorbell will be out at the service entrance out by the street. There's the air con for the kitchen. There's the lights that'll be over the dining room table. There. There's the lights that'll be over the kitchen island. All right, so hallway back to the bedrooms. Shenrik in his room, or is he out in the garage? Where's Shenrik?
Outside.
Okay, I'm gonna go in his room. So here's Shenrik's room. Kind of using it as a closet also because we had a lot of work going on in our bathroom, and we don't have any doors to shut anything off, so we want to keep everything clean. So we're kind of just keeping everything in here. Okay. Yeah, so pretty much kids' bedroom. Nothing really going on here. Okay, that's that. I'm not sure what that is.
Yeah, I'm just chasing about the supplies.
Okay. All right. We did get this countertop cut. So there'll be 2 undermount sinks. There'll be 1 there. There'll be 1 there. Water shutoffs are there. And the drain, obviously. And on this, under here, drain, water shutoffs for the hot water heater. And there's the hot water heater there. Update. We were able to pull the 8mm squared wire, which is this big fat black wire and big fat red wire, through the existing conduit. So it took a lot of effort, but we got it all. So all 3 hot water heaters got the upgraded 8mm wire. We're just hardwired in now because these GFIs, we're only 20 amps, so they're only rated for 20 amps. So we didn't want that to be the weak point. So we just hardwired those in temporarily. We did order a 40 amp breaker that's going to go under here, and it also acts as a GFI. And then we upgraded the breakers in the breaker panel to 40 amp. So everything's 40 amp now, no issues on level 2. We haven't tried level 3 yet, but we'll see. And these will be the undermount sinks that'll go here. So that'll start next week, and then we got to obviously cut the holes for the faucets on both sides. Toilet and bum gun, floor drain. All right, so Shenrik's shower. we're going to stick with these shower heads, but I'm going to ask JR, Sella's brother, to, as you can see, the grout line compared to the pipe, the pipe's not coming out level. So I'm gonna ask JR to chisel away some of the tile, chisel away the cement around that fitting up there, the shower head fitting, and get it level and put everything back together. And that's on both sides. So both sides were, I don't know what happened. They typically don't use these. Philippines does everything exterior. So you'll have just a water line coming out of the wall. It goes up to a hot water heater that's located also in the shower. And then there's just basically this that'll have a shower head attached to it. There. So they don't deal with making everything how it really should be. As far as the way we do things in the US. So anyway, so I haven't told him yet. So waiting for a good day when he's in a really, really, really good mood, and I'll wreck it. Just kidding. Anyway, so we need to fix those because they're definitely on a horrible angle. And that's about it. Obviously, corner shelves, those are marble, Carrara marble. There's a seat, got a couple floor drains in here. I still haven't worked on the tile, grout on the tile yet, so I haven't really had time. Did get the Filipino faucet hooked up with a bum gun on it, and that's just a spray down. That will be the squeegee when we do get the glass for here. So there'll be a fixed glass starting at this wall, coming across. I'm going to say it'll be before that grout line right there. So it'll be before that. And then I think it's 34-inch glass door that'll swing off this side, this wall right here. So there'll be a glass door, full height of this tiled wall. And it'll swing in and swing out. So that's that. So that's it for the main bathroom. The spare bedroom became our storage area. This is our mattress, our old mattress. We replaced it. We bought this when I first got here, but I didn't like it, so we bought a proper, very, very thick mattress. So we use this actually, we get weekly massages, so we use this for the massage, which actually you can see it needs to be washed. So it's got oil on it. The white there, that's going to be for the shelves to go in these two closets. So Shenrik has the same thing. So it'll be a shelf that sits on top of that wood, that unpainted wood that will get painted right there. We did get the air con installed in here. In the spare bedroom, so this is all set. So I can, these Korean blinds, zebra blinds, whatever you want to call them. I need these two right here are in the closet. Actually, I might let the guy's coming back anyway. So our blinds guy is also the guy doing our cabinets. So he's going to be bringing our kitchen cabinets, I think Thursday of next week. So I'll probably just let him end up hanging those there because really nobody's in here anyway. So. This is a weather strip that's going to go around the two exterior doors on the verticals and the top horizontal. And the lighter wood is the door stop. So all the doors, when they do come, which I need to check on, for some reason the stops that they create here in the Philippines are like almost nothing, like that right there. You know, it's not even my thumb thickness. So I have them add a stop here, which extends this out to maybe here. So it like doubles it to like a proper thickness, so you can't see through the door opening. As the doors grow and shrink. A lot of the Philippine houses I see, you can see through the door, so it just doesn't make sense. So, and then this is going to be the casing, this browner wood here against the wall. That'll be the casing for the bifold doors on this closet in here, and also the closet in Shenrick's room. So that's that. That will get painted white. Laundry. I did buy a ladder. I was going to buy an extension ladder and also a step ladder, but I found this one. I can't remember the name of this. I think they actually, P-Tech. I think they sell these in the U.S. I'm not sure if these came from the U.S. or what, but this was a good idea. So now I only have this one ladder. This will turn into one long ladder that I can get on the roof, on the exterior. And then when I need a step ladder, obviously from what you can see here, I'm good. And the height's perfect for getting up into the attic area. So, yeah, and they got the wires pulled here. Because this is going to get a hot water heater also in this room. And this will be full cabinets over here when done. There's the sink and the faucet for in here. Washer hookup and dryer exhaust vent right there. And that's it in here. Sella, keep them busy. Thank you, baby. All right. Okay, our bedroom. We are going to Naga. We found a place. They have sleigh beds, so I'm gonna order a darker walnut wood. It is made out of mahogany, but it'll be stained walnut, which is a darker stain. And this bed goes. So I'm not a fan of it. That's what she wanted when I first moved here, and who am I to disagree? But it doesn't fit the decor here, so that'll go. And we are the same company that we're buying the bed from, we found they also have a dining room. Let's see, 1, 2. I think it's 8-seater. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think it's an 8-seater. So we're gonna have an 8-seater table. Let's see. Okay, let's continue on. Master bath is pretty much complete. We got one more cabinet, but we have sinks, got those done today. So that's all set. And for anybody who's not aware of how those are mounted, the undermount sinks. Let's see, that's our water main shut off for this room in this cabinet here. But what we do is we take clear caulk, which they call sealant here, and run a small bead on top of the sink itself, and use your finger and work that in all the way around, and then do the same thing to the underside of the countertop here, where the sink is gonna mount to it, and wipe that all in. So now everything's penetrated into both the sink side and the countertop side. Then you take and put a small bead on top of the sink, where it's gonna mount to the countertop, and then you bring it in from the bottom. And what you do is you take a C-clamp, and obviously the drain's not there at that point. So you put the C-clamp through the bottom, up through the top, and then you put something to bridge across here. You can either use a level or a piece of wood. And then you put the other side of the C-clamp on it, and then you clamp the two, and that's going to pull the sink up to the bottom of the countertop. And at that point, you wipe all the excess caulk, because caulk is getting squeezed out around this opening. And then before you remove the clamp, you take a metal strap and you screw the strap there along the bottom over to the other side and screw it over there. And then, as you can see, it's pretty taut. So, and this, you got to make sure, I'm going to bend down here, lay on the floor, okay. When you're doing it, you got to make sure that you're putting the screw kind of at an angle, number one, so you don't go through you got 3/4 inch plywood up there, so you don't want to go through that and into the bottom and crack the countertop. And then also, what it's doing is you're reaching the screw, and the screw is actually pulling the strap taut, so you're kind of pulling in that direction. So the screw really isn't fully set into that wood all the way. It's kind of off of it a little bit, and it's kind of a trial and error thing to get the correct length that you need. But anyway, that's a quick tutorial on how to do the undermount sinks. And then once you got that strap on there, then you can take the clamp off, and you're good. And so there's our water shut off. So I got the drain hooked up. That's that. Let's see. So yeah, pretty much the same thing over here. So that's what we got there. I did take, they had the mirror mounted too high. You can see the old holes there that have been filled right now. There's one there. So I lowered it that much, which brought this down to the electrical outlet. So just a small stripe of paint. But the height's good, because you can, from eye level, there's about eye level, looking down, you can see quite a bit. And quite a bit of the countertop before you were cut off up here. So anyway, that's good there. That's our toilet and bum gun, toilet paper holder, wipes, trash cans there for right now. Okay, so in between that light switch and the toilet, there will be a linen closet that'll be on that wall right there. It'll be the same height as the shower walls there, so it'll be there. So here's our shower. I did get this all hooked up. I bought a squeegee, and it's suction cup mounted, so it's on the tile, so that's good. I got a Filipino faucet, and we do have a bum gun hooked up to it, and that's just a spray down the shower after we're done showering. So that's that. 2 shelves on each side. So obviously his and her showers. So that's that. I've got 2 drains in here, and a seat. So that's that. There's our back wall. And here's a walk-in closet. I think next week, the blind / cabinet guy also does closets. So we're gonna have him design a closet and see if we like it or not. This is one of the other racks that'll end up in the pantry, but right now we're using it here for whatever we need. This is was our clothes hanger in the rental. We brought it just till we figure out what we're going to do here in the closet. So that's that. Big mirror on the back wall. Attic access up there. This is our water heater. Again, it's just hardwired right now. it will get that 40 amp breaker that's also acts as a GFI. So yeah, that turned out nice. We got aircon here in our closet, in the window. So that's it here. Nothing else new. I can't really think of anything else. I'm gonna grab my mosquito killer here while I got you guys. Sorry, that's my mosquito killer. It's like a tennis racket, it's electric. And oh, it got away. Ah, I got it. Ha ha ha. So much for that mosquito. You're not eating. All right, there she is. All right, so that's that. Yeah, that's about it. I think that's about it for the updates. I can't really think of anything else that's been done. The rear fence will make good progress now because that was a lot of metal that had to get bent and formed for that back wall. So now that's all done, so the hollow block doesn't take anything at all. So I'm thinking by Wednesday you're going to see probably most of the wall done. That's about it. I'm thinking, I know Monday we'll have this bathroom. Oh no, Tuesday. So Monday we'll finish it. We got to do the 2 holes for the faucet. We got to do a cutout in the wood for the faucet also, and then we'll set this quartz. We got to let that set a day, so that'll be Monday. So then Tuesday we should have sinks in here, so this should be fully functional too. So Shenrik will have his bathroom, and I think that's about it. All right, subscribers somewhere 2,400, I think. Lots of comments. Thank you everybody who has commented. There was one that was a little bit inappropriate. I did delete his comment and blocked him, so I just didn't appreciate the things that he was saying, wanting to show up here at the property. So not gonna happen. So he wouldn't like the person here that he found. So don't show up here uninvited. Anyway, almost 2,500. I haven't asked Sella if she sent the paperwork to our new sponsor or not. So we'll do that today, and then Wednesday we'll introduce our new sponsor. So I guess that's about all I got. Thank you everybody for the comments. Please hit the thumbs up. What else? If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Channel's still growing, so we're pretty happy about that, especially Sella. It makes her smile. So if you want to see Sella smile, we need some more subscribers. I'm not sure what she just lipped to me there, but okay, I think that's it. Thank you everybody for everything. We do appreciate the support, and we'll see you guys in a few days.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, all right. That's all we got, and we out. Okay, bye.